Hey, what's up everybody, hope everyone is doing good and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to see how we can use Audacity to edit our voiceovers and how we can make our voiceovers more sophisticated. So first of all, what you all need to do is that go to audacityteam.org/download to download the Audacity software for your Windows, Mac or Linux. Once you are done downloading the Audacity software, just install it and you are good to go. Open the Audacity software and then hit the R button, or you can click on this red giant record button to record your voiceover. There is a pro tip for you that once you start the recording, then you please make sure to record at least 10 to 12 seconds of the audio without speaking, without saying anything else. So just try to capture basically a noise that you have in your room, in your studio or wherever you are recording your voiceover. This will help us removing the noise from your voiceover. Sometimes we experience some noise when we are doing some voiceover. So these noise does not look professional, does not sound professional in our videos. So what we can do is that, well, first of all, just try to record an empty voiceover without saying anything. So basically what you're doing is that you are capturing all the noise that you have in your environment. As you can see a straight line on my screen that I have recorded all the noise on in the environment that I have around me. Basically I'm using a condenser mic, so it just rejects all the noise that comes from around. So try to use a good mic for yourself, and if you don't have any mic that is good enough to reject the noise, or if you have a mic that records a noise, or if you are using any laptop built-in mic, so obviously that's going to record some noise for you. What you can do all is that just try to use the Audacity software to remove all that noise from your voiceover. Here is the voiceover sample audio that I have recorded for you guys to show and demonstrate how you can do different things and how you can remove the noise. First of all, we are going to remove the noise. What we all need to do is that just select that all noise that we recorded earlier as a noise sample. So I'm selecting here. Then I go to effects and then I click on noise reduction. First of all, we need to click on get noise profile. As you can see, there are two steps. First is get noise profile. So I click on get noise profile. So Audacity knows what is the noise in my voiceover. So now Audacity better can judge where to remove, what to do, what is the noise and what is the actual voiceover. So after getting a noise profile, what you all need to do is press Command or Control A on Windows to select your whole voiceover. Let me just show you here is that I have selected all the voiceover right now. Now what you need to do is that go back to effects, then click again on noise reduction and then click on OK. As you can see, I have a default settings, but if there is a change in your default settings, make sure to set this setting because that works perfect for me. You can copy from my screen by pausing the video. Alright, so I just click OK, and as you can see, applying noise reduction, and there is a change in my voiceover. So what is the next step is that you just select again only the noise that you have recorded earlier and then click delete or backspace to remove that noise, so you will only have your voiceover. So noise has been cleaned and removed from your voiceover. But if you still think that your voiceover have some background noise, you can repeat that step, that go back to noise reduction and then click OK. Okay, first of all, we need to select whole audio, then effect, noise reduction, and then click OK. So you don't need to get noise profile every time because you already told Audacity what is the noise. So you don't need to get noise profile again and again, but you can apply the second step again and again if there is a noise in your voiceover. But when you are done and you think that your voiceover is great enough that you don't need to repeat this step repeatedly, so make sure to just sit back, relax, take a breath to do more. Alright, so when you are done taking some breath, and taking a cup of coffee, go back and then now select whole audio, then click on effect And now this time you are going to click on equalization. If you don't see the equalization, make sure to like degrade your Audacity software. That I have given the link to download the Audacity software. I have uploaded the setup on my Google Drive, so you can guys can go and get this software, because in the newer version of the Audacity this equalization option is rephrased. So that's why I'm using older version, and that works best for me. Then just click on equalization, and this time you are going to get a bass boost. Make sure to select curved option in here. There are a bunch of different options. Just make sure to select bass boost. Alright, and then just click on OK. So basically what it's gonna do is that the bass will be boosted in your voiceover. So now again go back to equalization, click on effects, and then click on equalization. Now this time you don't need to select a bass boost, but you have to select a treble boost. So select it and then click OK. So your voiceover has been modified a little bit, so you can give it a try if that sounds good to you. If you want to use that with a bass and treble boost only, that you can use it. But sometimes it depends upon your voice and how your voice sounds like. So sometimes you need more modification, sometimes the bass is only enough, sometimes bass and treble both are enough. So in my cases I just only do bass and treble boost. But if your voice is not that perfect with only bass and treble, just make sure to go on effect, then click on amplify. So once you amplify, make sure to select this value 12.925. Alright, and then new peak amplitude should be -0. Alright, and then click on OK. So as you can see, there is a huge change in your voiceover. So what you can do is that go back to effect, and then you can click on normalize. Just select the normalize and remove DC offset. Just make sure to check this option, and also the second one, normalize peak amplitude to -1. Make sure to set it to -1 and then click OK. And your voiceover is now ready to be used in your videos. So let's just give it a try and see how it sounds like. Hey yo, what's up everybody, hope everyone is doing good and welcome back to another video. This is the sample voiceover for the editing. Alright, so you heard a voiceover that I have edited and recorded for you, and I think that sounds pretty much awesome, so professional, so sophisticated that you will only keep listening to your voiceover for a longer period of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something new. And if you learned something new, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit subscribe button, because that motivates us to create more videos for you. And I catch you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.